All right, now let's take a measurement of this vent first before we start installing the shade. And right now I'm reading 58, 57, give or take 57 and a half, close to 58. Let's check this vent here. And this one is reading 55, 56. Granted, so quick thing to note, so this vent here is actually much close, sitting much close to the furnace. So this one normally tends to blow cooler air compared to other vents, them being actually further away from the furnace. This one right now dropped to 54. So outside temperature currently is 91 degrees. And according to Google, it says currently it's 91 degrees and feels like 105. As you can see, it's pretty hot day today. This is the outside unit. Let's check the surface temperature of the unit. Let's check the coil temperature. Okay, 109, 122. So this side right here is actually much higher, being a flat panel. But around the coils, it's dropping to 107, 108. All right, so there you have it, guys. I mean, it really is a hot, scorchy day. I'm super excited to install this and give it a go and see, how it does. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and start unboxing. So here's the packaging. Everything looks to be intact. So now we're gonna go ahead and start opening up the box. What it comes inside the box. So you got 4 pieces of longer poles and 6 pieces of shorter ones, 4 coupling pieces, as well as some bungee cords and an instructions manual. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and build the shade before we start installing it. We're going to go ahead and time ourselves and see how long it'll take us. The whole thing took me, let's see, exactly 5 minutes. And that's the final product here. After you build it, this is how it looks. Now, onto the installation part. All right, now we're gonna be installing the shade. So it's the most important part. So the way you want to do is you want to set it on top like this, as such. It came with some bungee cords, so we're going to be using those to strap in the shade in all 4 corners to make sure that it's not going to blow away when there are winds or whatnot. So the most important part in this section is that you don't want to block you don't want to block the vent, the fan area. So whatever you do, make sure the fan is not blocked. So that's kind of crucial for the AC unit to get rid of all that heat. All right, so we got 4 bungee cords that the kit came with. So I want to point out a few important points here. So like these ribs here, inside these ribs, you got these coils. Whenever you're installing your bungee cords, you want to make sure the hooks do not touch the coils. The coils are very delicate in terms of they're kind of like very soft, and they easily bend and get damaged. So you want to hook these bungee cords right around these ribs. So let's do it. So we just finished installing it, and there you have it, guys. So I'm gonna let it sit a little longer, let the coils to kind of cool down, and see if the shade actually made any difference. Let's go ahead and take some measurements again. So earlier when we measured it before putting the shade on, this side was actually recording about 107 degrees. So let's see now. It's showing 98 now. Okay. What about this side? It was recording about 107 if I'm not mistaken as well. So this is 97. Oh wow. 98, 97. And I believe this side was 97 earlier, but it was already on the opposite side of the sun, so it wasn't already as hot as the other 2 sides. But let's give it a benefit of the doubt and just kind of check this one as well, just to see if there was any change. It still dropped to 2-3 degrees, so 94, 95. All right, so we do see on this side we've seen some significant difference, because what was it? It's recording 95. It was 107, so it's 12 degree difference actually. That's amazing. So let's see if it made any difference inside the house. Let's check the air temperature right now that's coming out of the vent. So it's showing high 48s. Now let's check this vent. So 45, 46, 40, 45 and a half. So there you have it, guys. As you can tell, it works. We proved it scientifically. I mean, I can tell there's a stress level is actually slightly down on the AC. I highly recommend it to homeowners like us, you know, who are trying to protect the investment and also, you know, prolong the lives of their AC units and whatnot. I'm gonna put a link to this product on my in the descriptions or in the comment sections below. So if you like it, if you want to give it a try, which I highly recommend you do, please use the link. And plus you will also actually get a little bit of discount for using the link. If I didn't see any differences, or you know, if there was no significant noticeable difference, I would not be recommending it. So in my opinion, it does work, and you guys just saw the numbers as well. So numbers don't lie. Well, thanks again, guys. I hope to catch you guys in future videos, and have a great day.